Yo, alright. Didn't even open up Godot. Alright, okay, so we left off and we made some functioning keys for door locks. So let's see, yeah, locked, cannot open, spammy, does nothing. Pick up the key. I should, hold on. I should change that text to say unlock. Ooh, how can I do that? Alright, hold on. We gotta figure this out. How do we... Where's door? Door. Alright, so... this is where we got the action. So we change it from lock to open here under action. But I want to change that. I would have to be in a process. I would do that under a process. Hold on. Let's make a process. Function. Process. Then let's see. If global dot key, right? It's just key, right? Yeah. If global dot key dot has key lock. And not key lock equals 0. Is the action tag? Interact text. Interact text. This isn't Game Maker. Unlock. Yeah, unlock. Ooh, wait. That's a few more steps. Hold on. Gotta get this in here too. Alright, let's see. Yeah. Unlock. Open. Okay. Now we can do, let's see, make a whole bunch of other things. Hold on. Let's open up. Hold on a second. Let's open up the door scene. This decal right here. Hold on. Change this to lock light so we can tell if it's locked or not. Script. And we're going to give that a variable. Then lock light dot man, what was it? Not the albedo, what do you call it when you're doing the code? Ooh. Why can I never remember? Hold on. Modulate equals color 8. Alright, so if it's locked, we want that to be red. And then here, this is when we unlock it. So, lock light dot modulate equals color 8. So we could go right there. 0, 245 there, 0 here, 245. Okay. We should have a functioning lock light. Except for this first one that's but I'll do something about that later. Or maybe not. Maybe I'll just leave it that way. Whoa, dude. Yeah. change the light. Okay, cool. Alright, I want to make like some kind of indicator of which key you need though. So let's see here. How are we gonna do that? Actually, hold on a second here. You know what? Where's this thing? Okay. Get this to be, I don't know, maybe like 0.5. Is that gonna be enough? Eight. Make that wider as well. 0.6 maybe. You know what? Wrong one. Hold on. Alright. 8. Yeah. Alright. Actually, we're gonna make this 0.7. All right.
Test your might.
Probably have to go with the sub viewport. Probably have to do sub viewport and then a label. do, I guess. So we're gonna make a sub viewport. How do I structure it in this one? Oh no. Okay, sprite first. Wait, can I do that on a decal? Oh dude, wouldn't that be dope? If you just apply that on a decal? Hold up. Yo, that would be so cool if you could put a sub viewport on a decal. Hold on a second, We gotta... Oh, but then it's gonna... Well, I don't know. That shouldn't be a problem, right? What would that make happen? Alright, so basically... So let me run... What's up, by the way, Goblin? So... Okay. So basically, let me tell you what... Like, the rundown of all of these things that I'm trying to put together. So in these control nodes... Or, actually, these canvas items, so these are... all these canvas items are 2D. Especially, like, so the control nodes, this is mostly for a user interface. So this stuff doesn't really show up in the... It actually does not render in 3D at all. Like if you like put this stuff in a 3D environment, it just will not show up. Any of these, like any 2D nodes or control nodes, they don't show up in 3D environment. So just got my refill for my medicine. Right on. So yeah, so in order to get any of these canvas items to show up in a 3D world, you need to the way I have done it in the past was put a where's my thing? Yeah, so I get this a 3D sprite. I have a 3D sprite, and then I assign the canvas item of this where is it? The texture. This texture right here. I have to assign it in script, but I assign it as this viewport, and this viewport has all these canvas items, which are all these 2D canvas items. So these 2D canvas items are all inside this viewport, and then this viewport is the texture of this 2D sprite. A 2D sprite can, a 3D sprite, sorry, my bad. A 3D sprite is just it's a 2D sprite that can be rendered in 3D. So when I give this 3D sprite the texture of this viewport, then it will render all of these control nodes, these canvas items. So yeah, basically what I'm thinking is for a decal. So the cool thing about what I'm thinking about is, like, if I could do that to a decal, like, this is what decals do. A decal is kind of like an area that applies the image that you assign to it. I have this little, it's just a white block assigned to the decal's image, but basically it just applies that image to wherever it is, whatever 3D like 3D mesh is in the area. This is usually used for like sprays, like if you play like having a sticker of an image. Yeah, it's like a sticker. So it's like, you know how like there's like tags, sprays or tags in Counter-Strike. You also use decals for like blood splatters. If like you ever see in video games like a blood splatter on a wall or something, when like an enemy gets shot and like blood just like spills all over the floor on the wall, they use decals for that kind of stuff. Yeah, so those are all decals. That's what decals do. Is just like they apply this 2D image and it kind of just like plasters it on a 3D on a 3D mesh. Oh yeah, bullet holes too. Yep, that's right. You use them for bullet holes too. So basically, what I'm thinking is, if I could apply this sub viewport to a decal, that would be cool. It's a viewport that you can apply as as pretty much a sticker. Now I'm thinking about it, that's gonna cause problems. I was trying to like think of shortcuts of like how to get both sides, but now that I think about that, if I'm putting text in here, one side's gonna be backwards. It's gonna be hard to read because it's gonna be backwards if I do it that way. So maybe I shouldn't do that. Maybe I should just make a sprite 3D. I just have to make 2 of them. Alright, we're gonna do this. Slap that in there. Let's see, we're gonna have this as, I don't know, lock display, I guess. What would that do? Like, what's the end goal for it? I'm having trouble following, sorry. Oh, okay, yeah. So backtracking. So I made like these keys for, I made keys for the doors. I'll show you. I have to get over there though. So I have these keys for certain doors. Like this door down here is locked. So when this light is red, that means it's locked. You can't open it. So I'm gonna go grab the key. See how this door's light over here is green. That means it's unlocked. So you can come over here and let me kill this enemy. Boom. So yeah. So we have the one key right here. We're gonna pick up this key. And now we can unlock this door. See, now it's the light's green now. But what I want to do is I want to like label all the keys, just like put numbers on them. In basically, like, you know, in older games like in Doom, the keys were color coded. Like there would be like a red key and a blue key and a yellow key. But this one I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do colors. I'm gonna do numbers because I think it'll be easier and I would be able to make more keys. So yeah, so basically I'm just gonna have like all the keys numbered. I'm just gonna display the number of which key you need. Yeah, so like you could get like the key that I just picked up, that was like key number 1. So right here I want to write just 1 on here and just like have it display whatever key it needs. So if it needs like key 2, then it would just display the number 2 up there. Yeah, that's what I'm working on right now. Hold on a second. So let's see. So yeah, we're gonna do this. Should probably make sure it's aligned correctly. So let's just put in any kind of that thing. Okay, so that's not aligned correctly. Ooh, you know what? I don't even know if it's gonna be, hold on, let's use this one. Okay, that'll do. So that'll be aligned correctly. Alright, so then we gotta clear this because we don't need that. Could you not just apply a texture with a number to it? That's basically what I'm doing. I don't know of any other way of like just displaying like text, like a string, you know what I'm saying? So this is like, yeah, this is the only real way I know how to display a string, because what I want to do is I want to come in here and then use like these variables and stuff. See, I got this key lock. This is basically what key it needs. If it's 0, it doesn't need a key, but if it's over 0, if it's 1 or above, then it needs that key. So if this was key lock 1, then it needs key 1. You know what I'm saying? And I just want to display this number is what I'm going for. All right. Hold on a second. I gotta link my friend the thing. Hold on a second. Who would have thought this would have been this difficult? Never mind. We got this. Hold on. Okay. Alright, we're good. Hold up. Now I gotta go back to this. So instead of displaying the image of a number, you're trying to display a number directly pulled from the code. Yeah, really don't have much experience, sorry if this is super simple. No, it's good. No, please ask questions. Like, it's the only way we're ever gonna figure this out, right? The only way to figure anything out is to just ask questions. So please ask away. But yeah, because so basically that would be like the only way to like have it modular, I guess is how I'm gonna describe it. But yeah, so let's see. Alright, so in the code, I actually have to display. I'm gonna have to make 2 of these though. So let's. I'll do that later. Hold on. I'll make the second one later. I'll just copy it. But with that said, I'm gonna number this one, preemptively number that one, and then bow, slap that in there. So then on the ready, in the function ready, we're gonna do lock display dot texture equals. Ooh, I also need to do the sub viewport thing too. We also need. Oops. Ooh, wait. We should number that one too, actually. Like from my experience, would it not just be simpler to make a number texture and just place it manually on each door? But I understand how this method would make future level make it more streamlined. Yeah, exactly. Exactly what I'm trying to do. We'll make a lock you port 1, and we'll do that. Wait, hold up. Oh, dude. I don't think I even need to have that as like the child of that. I think I could just have it out there. I won't need to have multiple viewports. I'll have to have 2 sprites. I'll have to have 2 sprite 3Ds, but only 1 viewport. I think that's how this works. We're about to find out, aren't we? Yes, we are. Yes, sirree. Lock viewport 1. I think that's how that works. Hold on. Wait, what the? What is this? What did I do? Hold on, I'm gonna have to undo a bunch of stuff. I don't know what I did. Wait, why is this all the way out here? So I didn't really do anything bad. I just had this indented too far for some reason. Alright, so we're gonna slap those in there like that. Alright. So yeah, lock display 1.texture equals lock viewport. It's not working. Alright, hold on, let me check my player script. How did I do it here? Get texture. I have to do dot get texture. That's why. Sweet. Okay. So now we gotta put in this viewport. This viewport's huge. Why is it like this? We gotta put a label in here. And then block display number text. Alright, and then I guess on ready we'll have lock display number text dot text equals what is it? What do I have? Keylock. Keylock. Oh wait, no, I have to change that to a string. So yeah, that's not automatically a string. That is an integer, but I can change that integer into a string by doing str and then putting whatever integer in the parentheses. So that'll change it to a string so it can go into the text field. Anyways, let's take a look at this. I can't really see anything. It's probably because the text is too small and this preview is hella small. Oh wait, no, it's also because there's nothing in here. Hold on, let me just change that to 0 real quick. And let's see if anything shows up here. Okay, cool, we got a little 0 up there. But let's see, let's change this to like, I don't know, 50 by 50, I think. Even that might be too big. We'll see. do we have the theme on this thing? No, let's load our theme. Let's see. Alright, cool. Now, let's see what... Well, that works. Okay. Okay, hold up. Alright, so it's working. Now the question is... Let's duplicate this. And then we do the same for this. Except we're gonna go like that. Oh yeah, that's right. I need to do that. Just a few keys to find for that one. Yeah, not too far, right? We're almost there. Another thing is I need to set those transparencies, but we will get to that. We'll get to that in a minute. Yeah, so this one we need to flip around 180. Alright, now let's look at this. Let's see if yeah, dude, look at that. Okay, so yeah, just one viewport. 2 sprites, 1 viewport. That sounds like a really bad video. Don't look that up on the internet. So let's see. We now, oh wait, now we need to like, okay. Hold on, let me look at this. I'm gonna have to do some like UI manipulation here. If I just make that, I should probably just center that. Just center the label. Sounds like the start of a bad programming joke. Yeah. Sounds like the start of a lot of bad jokes. You know what? I think what I'll do. I mean, that actually didn't really look that bad, if I'm gonna be honest. Like the sizing and everything. I don't know why. I didn't do anything to make it look good. There's not a damn thing I did to try to make that look good, but okay. Alright, now we're gonna copy this copy value and paste it into this one. Paste that value. But then with this first one, we're going to take that X and we're going to turn it to a positive. In fact, actually, why not just make that a straight up 1? Because it sticks out too much, that's why. So what about 0.9? There's too many digits in that decimal point. I didn't like that. Should I just change this to 0.2? Maybe 0.3. Maybe 0.2. Simple answer, make the door thicker so you can just use one. I don't follow. I don't know what you mean by that. What do you mean? Oh, let's make that 0.5. Alright, I'm gonna copy the value again and paste it into this one. Make those numbers nice and simplified. Alright, let's take a look at that. Instead of 0.9 on the x-axis, you said why not just use 1? Oh, it sticks out too far. Yeah, no, I don't want to do that. I'll just move the the transformation of the sprite. So let's make this. Let's experiment with 70 pixels high. Make the door bigger, it's simple. No. It's easier to just make the it's easier to just move the 3D sprite. In fact, I might actually have to move it. No, that'll be fine. Because once I make that transparent, that gray thing transparent, it'll look alright. Should probably make the width maybe 60. Oh, it's trying to. My bad, dude. I am so sorry. Dude, yeah. No, I'm bad at that. That's my fault. Alright, let's make this 60. And actually, let's make this 80. I think. Move that over then, or maybe not. No, you know what, we're just gonna go ahead, we're gonna go, where's so in here we need to make, okay, no, so here we need to do, where is it, flags, yeah, transparent. Oh, transparent's already on. So there's something in the viewport. Forgot what I had to check in the viewport to make transparent BG. There we go. Cool. Okay. Look at that, dude. Okay, so yeah, that one says 0. And then this one says 1. Hard to read though. Looks dope. Does look dope, doesn't it? It's hard to read though. I wonder what I can do to make that easier to read. You look off center? Yeah. You know, I think I'll keep it that way because there might be some like other data that I want to put on here. I can't really think of any other data that I could put there, but yeah. I mean, I could just make it bigger. I could just center the label and then make the font bigger. Is what I could do. Probably what I should do. Because I was just saying that it was hard to read. Let's see if that makes it even easier. Okay, so first we actually don't want that in there. I just need that as a placeholder. Maybe some lore stuff if you wanted. Yeah. Though, I mean, lore probably fits in other places. I don't know if lore fits on a locked door. Let's see. We need this to be where's layout, anchor, center. Alright. And now we can go into theme override, font size. Let's make it, I don't know. What's the default? I wonder. 16 is the default. So if I override it, let's make it like 32. Double that size. See how that works. Looks okay there. I really wish I could change the raw values of this in code. Hold on a second. Alright, as for that font size, let's try 64, dude. Now, what I'm going to do is try out all the different numbers. Hold on. I could try it right here. Hold on a second. I wonder if that's going to get overridden. Because this is the pressure plate door, so I think my code's going to override that. Yep. So I'm not going to mess with that. I'll mess with this one over here. 64 might be just slightly too big. Hold on a second. Let's try good old 50. Yo, that's looking nice, dude. Font's giving dystopian corporate to me. Yeah. Yeah. I wonder why I chose it. I wonder why I chose that font for this game. Oops. Oh yeah, heads up. A little secret for you, since since you're like, since you're watching me in such early development, I'm gonna put a secret in this, right in the beginning of the game. I'm gonna put a secret, okay? Check out this secret, okay? So what you're gonna do? You're gonna come over here, across this, across the billboard right here, and then you're gonna jump over here and then dash this way into the corner. And I'm gonna put like a chest or something here with some loot in there. All right. Remember that. There's gonna be a little secret right here. What I want to do is kind of adjust the placement of the sprites here. Let's see. I'm gonna put. Hold on. You know what? This is gonna help me. This is gonna help me guide my mouse. I'll put that little pixel there so I can go like that. Alright, and then we can clear this. We can do the same over here. Whoop. Get a little pixel right there. And then we're gonna just go like that, and then just right there. Okay, that. Love secrets in game. It's good for copyright too. Hide secret signatures and Easter eggs where nobody can see it. Yeah. Easter eggs, dude. I haven't thought of any Easter eggs that I want to put in this game, but I might come up with some. We'll see. Okay, so that actually looks way better. It looks like it's all flush up against the panel there. So that's nice. Okay. All right, now what I want to do is let's see. Oh yeah, I should probably put the number on this thing too, huh? All right, so in that case, I wonder if the little display screen is too small for this. Oh well, we'll find out. Alright, so get a sub viewport up in here. We're going to get a 3D sprite up in here. Alright, now gotta get a label up in this bitch. Now to label all this stuff. Key viewport. Key label, I guess. And then this one. Key label display 1, because we're gonna have 2 of them. Alright, now into script. Gonna need all of these. And then, alright, so first what we're gonna do, we're gonna set that the key label to the text of it. String key type. It is type number 1, so it'll display 1. Then go. Now we need the viewport textures. Key label display 1 dot texture equals key viewport dot get texture, and then same for key display 2 texture. Nope. Texture. Okay. That should really be it, I think. Hold on. I need to set the font and everything. Hold on. Layout. Let's just. Ooh, whoa. Wait. Viewport. Probably need to. Oh yeah, I also need to like align the sprites too. They're just like hanging out there in their default transformation. I have no idea how big that thing is, so I'm gonna say 20 by 20 for now. And if that's too small, then I'm so bad at game development, I should quit right now.
Your soul is mine.
Alright, so let's see which way these are facing real quick. Okay, they're just facing that way. Yeah. X-axis. Same with you. X-axis. I don't know which one's which, like which one's facing which way, but best get while your head, kid. Yeah, I know, right? Yeah, this is the best as it's ever gonna get. Alright, so we're gonna X is 0.2? What if it's just like 0.2? Is that gonna... Or how about 0.03? Wonder if that's viable. 0.09, is that okay? Yeah, that should be fine. Alright, we're gonna copy these values, and then we're gonna paste them in here. Hey, I said paste. Alright, spin that around 180, make this a positive. Alright. Transparent BG. Where's the theme? Theme. Alright. Let's see how this looks. Print it, ship it, call it early alpha release, Kickstarter. Hell yeah, dude. Saw it as early access and then just add like one enemy every month. Actually, like if you're talking about like designing a whole new enemy every month, that's actually pretty good. What I meant by add an enemy is, I mean, like just place one extra enemy in the game. Like it's the same enemies you've been fighting, but just like put one more in. Oh, dude, I didn't do the thing. I didn't check the thing I was doing this for. Ever heard of a game called The Stomping Land before? I have not. It sounds like a dino sim. I can't see a damn thing. Oh, wait. Wait. Yeah, never mind. I don't know. Yeesh. I don't know. Oh, wait. Let's center this. I don't know if that's gonna help. Let's center that. Also, just change this to a, like, anything is for a thing. I donated and got early alpha demo, and it was supposed to have been pretty much what Arc became, but the dev took the money and ran. Oh, yeah. I'm sorry to hear that. That has happened with other games too. That really sucks. Yeah. I don't know, man. Be real cautious with anything labeled early access. That's all I can say. Or you know what? Maybe it's... Maybe it was just too embedded into the decal. Alright, try that. Try to nudge that out a little bit more. 0.05. I may be wrong, but I think he commissioned someone for dinosaur models. but then never paid him, and he sold them to the guys at Arc. I might just be high though, so don't quote me. Alright, man. I mean, has there been an investigation on this? Usually there's people who investigate that kind of stuff, you know? Alright, I don't think that's helping. I don't think scooting them out is helping. Should be fine, dude. Let's see here. Or maybe 20 by 20 is too small. The sound confusing. Dev commissioned artists for models. Stood up artists sold models to ARC guys. This was many years ago, and I don't think they ever got them though. Yeah, no. I believe it. I've heard of that happening before. Not just in video games. It happens everywhere. It's very unfortunate. Right. Okay, let's see what I did here. Did I do this right? Get texture. Viewport, right? Center. Not that that matters. Kind of matters. Viewport. Did I forget anything here? Don't think I did. Bro. What's going on, dude? I should probably also clear this. I wonder if that was it. Or if that was just new music. What are we feeling here? Rebel synthwave mix? That's what we're feeling. Here, hua. Nope. Should I just keep trying? Okay. Point one. We'll go point one. And if this isn't it, dude, because look at it. It's way out there, dude. And no way it's getting blocked by the decal. It is doing nothing. It's doing nothing. Alright, let's see. Wait, I also, hold on, let me see. Where's flags? Okay, never mind. That's not it. It's double-sided, so it doesn't really matter which way they're facing. I would have seen the back side of it. Centered. Hmm. Herm. Let's take off that transparent for a minute here. Let's see if that'll help me figure out what's really going on. Dude. It's the same thing. Same exact thing. Or we go with it anyways though. We're gonna keep doing this. I'm gonna delete my original one after I replace this stuff, even though it's the same exact thing. Report. And then we'll do those first two. And watch exactly 0 things change. Hell yeah, 0 things changed. Exactly 0 things, dude. Hmm. Oh. This is the activate. I need a ready function. Oh, dude. That hurt, dude. Oh my god. That was painful. That was so painful, dude. Oh my god. I should have gotten a coffee, dude. I apparently need like a coffee or something, because that was embarrassing. That was straight embarrassing, dude. Alright, it should work now. Alright, here we go. I do need to flip them around though. So this one needs to be positive. And this one needs to be negative. Oh yeah, you can also probably do 0.05. So let's see, transparent VG. Okay, let's see what that looks like so far. Ooh, that will be hard to read. I also need to change these. Hold on a second. Maybe like, hold on. You're centered, right? Center. Don't know why it's all the way off to the side like that though. That's super weird. Center bottom. Center top. Center. Yeah, let's change this to like, let's go back to 20. See if, why you like this? Hold on. Full rect. How about that? Slightly better. Ooh, goes right through my UI. It's also hard as hell to read. I could also change the color of the decal. Yeah, we could probably make. We could do this. Let's just make that red. All key cards are going to be red. Alright. Okay. I think I like that. Now another thing I want to do. So there's going to be a little thing with the collision of my interact thing. So what I'm going to do, duplicate this thing, duplicate this with the shitty fucking texture. I gotta redo that texture. But yeah, let's put that down to 1. Actually, I kind of like that. That little, like, chest shape. So there's going to be a thing with this thing where my interact shape, ray shape, might be blocked by that crate. And if it is, I will have to figure something out. Maybe make a whole new collision. No, because then you can activate things through walls then, if I do it that way. Oh wait, no, it works. Oh wait, I didn't give this box a collision. Hold on. Yeah. There we go. Let's go.
Stop being so fucking calm about all this. Go look in your house. There's a note on your TV and all it says is Dear Clarence, except in my So I just said Alabama come clean. And just tell him what's what. And if he tells you, go back to
Yeah.
go fuck yourself, then go back to strip some fuck yourself.
I can't. Yep. Can't get that.
Clean, okay? I've been a call girl for exactly 4 days and you're my 3rd customer.
Alright, so now what we've got to do then, we've got to do something about this, shape cast. Probably change its, what you call it, its x-axis rotation. That's probably what I'll do. Probably go from capsule back to sphere. Maybe even put. Wait, hold on. What if I just put it in camera? Hold on. Where's active cast? What if I put that in camera? Then I have to go back in here. Where's that? There it is. Active cast. Okay. Alright. So now it should kind of like not move with the camera, but look up and down with my camera. Which means I could get over little ledges like that. Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm gonna have to deal with you, aren't I? Yeah. Okay. It's a little funky though. Ooh, that's a little funky though. I don't know if I want to do it like that. Or if I... What if I just make the shape cast smaller? Make that radius 0.3. Let's try 0.3 for now. Oh, dang. I forgot to make that unique. Oh well. Okay, so that's better. It is way better. It might even work. This might work. Oh, forgot to change that back to 1. Ha! Oops. All right. Now here, I kind of want to like change up these barrels. I want to like, I should probably put some crates in here. I should probably replace a bunch of these with some crates. So, let's all right. Two by two by two, and then we bump that. Nope, not that high. That high. All right. And just a couple crates right here should do the trick. Okay. And some collisions for these bad boys. Let's go. Like block this off a little bit more. That barrel bothers me. So is this one though. Huh. Yeah. I don't like this little gap right here. You know what? Simple. I'm gonna have to set up some oculation culling tomorrow. That's probably my biggest goal. I gotta set a reminder. Like, set up some oculation culling tomorrow. I gotta focus on that tomorrow. And if I don't, then I'm ruined. Also figure out how to like make that stuff glow when I change this color by code. Let's see. This stuff on the side's a little annoying. I might just remove the collision or just change the shape of it at least. Maybe I'll change the shape of that thing. I don't want to get rid of it entirely though. I think it's kind of necessary visually, but like physically it gets in the way. You know, the movement in your game reminds me of an old game called Guns the Duel. Oh yeah, I played that. Yeah, that was one of those games that I used to play. I didn't get very good at it though, but yeah, I do know what you mean. I get you. 100%. Mine should be better though. My game is better though. Yeah, it was fun, wasn't it, dude? Hell yeah. That game was so dope when it first came out. Makes me think I should just do this to all these other ones over here too. Give the same treatment over there. Alright, well, let's see. Yeah, we'll just delete this one. We'll duplicate this. Cool. Alright. Let's see how this feels. Or wait, no wait. The point of it was to see if I could just do this normally with only wall jump and no dash. I mean, it's easier to recover from, is what it makes it, but it doesn't make it easier to do. I'm gonna leave it there anyways. I think I'll just like have that as the solution. Just leave that there. Even though you should just do that. Even though you should just learn how to wall jump and do that. Every single time. Also wish the spring arm of my camera would work better, dude. Like, what is this? Why does it do that? Alright. Coming together quite nicely. Still haven't done anything about this screen though. I need to figure out what I'm going to do with that screen. we're just gonna do a little bit more level. Oh, dude, what just happened here? Where am I? Alright, we're gonna do a little bit more level design over here. Expand on here. I wonder what other things I need to have some kind of tutorial about. I don't think I need anything other, like any other kind of tutorial. I think I could just like start throwing enemies at this guy. Probably. So probably what I'm gonna do in this next room is just have like some kind of like major encounter with like basic enemies. Yeah, and then once you overcome that, then I have to design new enemies. It isn't an issue if you call it a feature. Yeah, it's true. It's all about how you sell it. Let's see. That. So I can interfere with this. Should I even make the room that big? I don't know how big I need to make this room over here. Anyways.
really want to be an astronaut and go out in space and really do that, you'd be okay, right?
Sure, honey, if that's what you really want to do.
That was the most important thing that ever happened. Couldn't you feel it? That feeling way inside? We were flying.
Come on, Ben, make some sense. We almost didn't come back.
But we did come back. Here we are.
Okay. So I can't seem to get my Steam Deck to charge. This has happened before. This is very common. It's just that in the past I've been able to get it to charge eventually. But right now it just doesn't seem like it wants to charge, so I'm just gonna have to end stream here, unfortunately. Very unfortunate. So yeah, thanks for hanging out. Yeah. Good night. Have a good day, whatever.